I don't think I caught your reaction, but
Hold that out.
I don't think the camera caught your reaction. Fuck!
Let's put her back where she belongs.
Did you see it, Dad?
Hold on.
I don't think I caught your reaction, so I'm probably going to be deleting this video, which sucks. I've been waiting. And I'll still post it. You're taking a picture?
Oh, wait, it's not.
Turn on the light. And then just don't use your flash. That's on what I did. Because I have a picture already, but I just didn't put it on Facebook yet because I knew that if I did it, then you would see it. Did you get it?
Yeah. Oh, it's blurry though.
It's blurry. Okay, let me